Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you the name of the next contestant, Angha Modak.
घड़ी घड़ी हुक थोड़ी थोड़ी हुक शोर मचाए रे, हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सर के जाए रे। घड़ी घड़ी हुक थोड़ी थोड़ी हुक शोर मचाए रे, हाय मेरी चुनरी भी सर के जाए रे। तेरी क्यों छोरी, लड़की कमर तेरी क्यों छोरी, तो हुआ तुझे चोरी चोरी। हाय रे लागली कुणाची चिक्की, हाय मला लागली कुणाची चिक्की। लाल्या रंगाची गोऱ्या रंगाची सोळी बिंगाची रंगवानी, आली कुंभार करणार लस्कर दमान मुरडत रंगराणी। लाल्या रंगाची गोऱ्या रंगाची सोळी बिंगाची रंगवानी, आली कुंभार करणार लस्कर दमान मुरडत रंगराणी।
Angha Modak. Wow. Real finale performance. Thank you very much. Our next finalist, Shraddha Joshi. Very expressive performance. Wonderful. Very power-packed performance. And we will wait for the results. All the very best to you, Shraddha. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. चमक उठी सन 57 में, वो तलवार पुरानी थी। बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह, हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। Ladies and gentlemen, with big round of applause, please welcome Bucky Challenger.
करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे।
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
What an amazing portrayal of Rani Lakshmi Bai. With a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next finalist in dance category senior team, Ghungroo. एक बार बहुत जोरदार तालियां टीम घुंघरू के लिए। Ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna start singing competition, starting with category junior.
Juniors category. I have 6 names who are the grand finalists. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shrishti Gube. Lambi Judai. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please give it up for Shrishti Gube?
International Indian icon.
Please put it up for Amruta Turlupeti.
ये दिल सुबह। Thank you.
Amruta, amazing performance as always.
So thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
Thank you once again. Thank you. Our third grand finalist, Shipriya Srinivas.
करीब होके चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से, मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से तेरी। थैंक यू।
Amazing performance as always, Shipriya. Thank you once again. Really appreciate that.
जजेस ग्रैंड मास्टर साहब के साथ आए हुए, मैं उनके बारे में थोड़ा आपको तारुफ कराना चाहता था, जिससे आप जान सके हम किन दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ बैठे हुए हैं रूम में। तो सबसे पहले मैं चाहूँगा अनुपमा जी के बारे में बताने के लिए। अनुपमा जी इज़ अ बॉलीवुड सिंगर एंड शी हैज़ sung with all the legendary you talk on Bollywood, talk the names Kishore Kumar, Abhijit Bhattacharya, Udit Narayan, Amit Kumar, Sudesh Bhosle, Suresh Wadikar ji. She's also performed and did shows along with the legendary Naushad Saab. And she's also known as the Melody Queen of UAE. I got to know that Mr. Bachchan had great things to say about her last year. So, guys, can you please put it up for Anupama Shrivastava ji? Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for Ananya Moni.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but then I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line through the sky, need to see, it calls me.
just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong. I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea. It's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? See the line where the sky meets the sea. It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, and let me know how far I'll go.
Mind blowing, the kind of power and the throw you have in your voice.
Such a surprising song, and I thought that English song will not, give me so much of effect, but it did.
Thank you.
And you sang so well, and that the balance of your volume was so even all through. How do you do it, beta? Practice. God bless you. God bless you. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Very nice.
Thank you, Jatinji. Thank you, Ananya. Really appreciate that. Please put your hands together for Rishabh Shah.
मैं शायर तो नहीं, मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर ऐसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर ऐसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं आशिक तो नहीं, मगर ऐसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको आशिकी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं। प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर। प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था, मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर। मैं तो उलझा रहा उलझनों की तरह, दोस्तों में रहा दुश्मनों की तरह। मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं, मगर ऐसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको, मुझको शायरी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं। Thank you, thank you.
क्या बात, क्या बात, क्या बात. So friends, I'm going to tell you a couple of stuff. First thing is, I could see the response coming from the audience. I saw Rahul Jatin picking up his mobile.
Thank you.
There you go. And I saw him picking up his mobile and he was doing a video recording, if I'm not mistaken. So
He's a great guy. He's an awesome person.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put it up for Rishabh Shah.
And we'll be right back.
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां.
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां.
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां. चूड़ियां देख लो अब ये आसमां.
चूड़ियां देख लो अब ये आसमां.
International Indian icon. 3i International Indian icon.
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां.
उम्मीदों के कारवां अब हुए हैं रवां. 3i International Indian icon. 3i International Indian